What's up, folks? Derek's world famous chicken in the cooler. Hey, we're doing something a little special today. Some old oxtail. You see, I got some big ones and I got some little ones. I like the little ones better, but you got big ones and some little ones and a little onion. But we're not gonna cook them outside today because it is freezing. We're gonna put them in a crock pot, and I'm gonna show you fall off the bone oxtails in the crock pot with a little gravy. Gonna be special. Let's get this cook going. Yep. First thing you know what we got to do in the cooler, which I'm not going to show you, is wash your meat. Crock pot, a little less or right about half full. To this water, simple, salt and pepper. That's it. Little snow for the cold outside, a little kosher salt, and on the open end, a little pepper. Oxtails are added. It's just a waiting game now, folks. In about 10 to 12 hours, it's gonna be right for the picking. Just a secret between me and you, if you want to cut the cost down on your oxtails, get you some neck bones. A family pack of neck bones is only $7. So you buy 2 packs of oxtails and a family pack of neck bones and you throw them in the same pot. Oh boy, you got some good eating right there. All right, folks, take a peek. We're about 6 hours in. About 6 hours in. Got a long way to go when it's in this crock pot. I don't want to put the onions in yet because I don't want them to be all mushy, gushy. So I'll wait till it gets close to being done. Getting there. See, you don't really need to use beef broth because those oxtails make their own broth. And then if you want to thicken it up for the gravy, put a little starch in there, a little salt, a little water. Actually, you can put them in the water, but you can add water with that starch. Yeah, getting there. They're pretty tender right now, but I need them to be falling off the bone. Don't forget to add that onion. Add a little minced garlic because I ain't got no fresh garlic. And look at them onions just floating on top until they deep dive into that broth. That's it. All done. Fall off the bone. Look at that. Ooh. Off the bone, you have to go in there and grab this one. Go into this. That's gonna be some good eating right there, baby. A little oxtail, a little hot Joe, a little rice. Let me see. Let me taste test it for y'all. Let me see. Go fishing, you don't want no big one. Oh yeah, look at that. No bone, just meat. Little oxtail, baby. Oh man. Whoo. That's gonna be good eating for dinner tonight. Crockpot, Crockpot oxtails, complete, good, dynamite. See ya.
little oxtail and rice.